Welcome, Phenomenon is an HTC Desire 19 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you can pull down the notification panel where you will find the Do Not Disturb mode. So to toggle it on, simply click on it, and now it's enabled. Now if you want to set it up, you can actually hold it and it will take you to the settings, where you can set it up, for instance, exceptions, which is when you have the Do Not Disturb mode, it will allow you to set what it doesn't affect actually. So for instance, calls, and then allow calls, and right now it's set from favorite only. So whichever contact is set to favorite now will be excluded from the Do Not Disturb mode and will actually still be able to reach you. And you can change it up if you want to contacts, which then any contact from your list can call you, anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, and no one, which is dead silent. And you also have the option right here, repeat colors, so whatever you actually have set for allow calls. So for instance, you have favorite only, but your contacts call you. If they call you twice within 15-minute period, the second time they will actually still be able to call you, as long as you have this checked on. Then you have the similar options for messages, although it's set right now by default to none, but you can also set it to favorite only, and then you have to add favorites. Then you have schedule, so just turn on automatically, which that's what I would advise. And you can either modify the sleep one or add a new one, so just add a new one, and tap on days of the week. So in here you want to choose which days of the week you want it to be working in. So I'm gonna make a work one, so from 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. Let's go start time 9, end time 5, and I also can select alarm can override the end time, so you could theoretically set alarm for something and it will be able to end the Do Not Disturb mode in this case. So let's go out, and it looks like by default it will be enabled automatically once you set it up. So now, based on this, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on from Monday through Friday at 9 to 5, and you don't actually have to interact with it from the notification panel anymore. It will just be automatically on and off, turning on its own. So that is how you would enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.